So welcome to my tutorial from Unity to ShiVa. So I'm gonna start here showing a bit ShiVa, and you already know Unity. So I want to create a new a new project in Unity, project 12. It's good. Create. And voila, Unity is creating the new project. So it might take a while. I'll go in ShiVa to do the same thing. So this is the unlimited version, or it's the same as PLE. The PLE is a free version. You cannot compile, but you can use all the functionality of the unlimited version. The unlimited version of the compiler, and you can basically create unlimited number of application, and there's no splash screen, there's no logo of ShiVa. You can remove it. So that's it. I go in main setting, then I click add project, add. So it's gonna ask me where I want to create my project. Let's give it a name. Select. I was already working on something, so I'm just saving. So it's creating the we see Unity is working on the background too, but it's already created in ShiVa. Unity, it's still working. Okay, so here I can show a bit. We have the icon here, the sound. You click on it and it's going to remove sound when you're going to play. I have general script. These are name of Windows setting. I have the terrain script. Anyway, these are different settings. You can create your own, put the name you want. You can manage that in the desktop here. Select desktop. You got all the control Alt F1 to F8. You can create 8 different setup. Desktop management, to manage those kind of setup. You can reload, save, reset, and desktop option for desktop 1, because it's the first on the left. It's the 1. So I can choose the way I want it, and you give it a name. It's general, and the number of window you want. So that's the way I like my setting here. Unity is still creating the project. Well, we can check the help file. Each window have a question mark. You can press to have the help file out of it. And in the help menu we have context, index, search, shortcut, show start page, like this. Welcome to ShiVa 1.1. That's not the real background, because I changed some set up in my oops. Anyway, you can click on what's new, presentation. You're gonna have a whole video of ShiVa. It's really interesting. So you can click on content. You're gonna have a introduction. It's the nice ShiVa logo. Stone Trip. It's the company that creates ShiVa. And you get the attribute, which is some kind of game object. So we got a camera, collider, occluder, light. All the icons, like they look, some look the same as Unity, some don't. What's happening in Unity? Still loading. Oh, hold on. Hey, we got it. So I got my project here, as you know, hierarchy and the inspector. So I got my standard asset, and these are all things I can import, skybox and things alike. So in ShiVa, I'm gonna close this. In ShiVa, I have the Data Explorer, which is the same as, similar as Project. Each window have its own menu. In Unity, you have like what? You have this one. So what I'm gonna do is to gonna show that Data Explorer. So project is the name of the project. I call it proj, not really creative here. I got the game. It's gonna be the basic of my game. So it's gonna be inside that. The models are imported stuff that I'm gonna put like asset. There's gonna be some other kind of asset and resource. AI model, bank, font, HUD, material, and the scene. So to create the scene in Unity, you just save your scene, give it a name, and it's there. You load it. So in ShiVa, the way it works is you have to create some, let's say, asset or object, and we're gonna load them in the game editor. So I like starting here in the Data Explorer, create game. So what's happening here, I have a pop-up window. There's a lot of those, but you get used to it, they're your friend. So it asks to enter a game name. So I'm gonna call it game 7. In Unity, when you create something, example a folder, it just says new folder, and you have to think to rename it. F2 new folder. ShiVa does it for you.